Graphing by transformations, quadratic and absolute value. Vocabulary. A function is a relation where every element in the domain maps to exactly one element in the range. Quadratic functions are functions that form a parabola with an increasing and decreasing growth behavior. Absolute value functions are functions made of two linear functions put into one with a positive and negative side that can be increasing or decreasing. And transformations are changes to these parent functions to create a different position or a different shape. Types of transformations. Translation, a shifting of a function up, down, left, or right. Reflection refers to changing the direction of a graph, increasing or decreasing. And dilation refers to stretching or shrinking a graph, changing its steepness. Graphing absolute value transformations. This is the parent function. In the parent function, you find the absolute value of x, which is shown here in the graph. Example 1. G of x is 2 with the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 3. The steps on solving is adding 1 to the inside, changing the x, and you move to the left with 1. The outside change is subtracting 3, which means that you shift 3 down on the y-axis. And the 2 means the slope changes to 2 over 1. Example 2. G of x equals negative 2 over 3 with the absolute value of x minus 2 plus 3. Steps on solving. Subtracting 2 to the inside means you shift to the right twice. The outside change of 3 means you shift up 3 on the y-axis. Negative 2 over 3 is a changing of a slope to stretch the graph. The negative means you have to reflect. Recap on rules. Number 1. An inside change shifts the graph left or right. If you add inside, you shift to the left, and if you subtract inside, you shift to the right. Multiplying f of x or k with f of x stretches or shrinks the graph. If k is greater than 1, it stretches, and if k is greater than 0 and less than 1, it shrinks. K equals a negative number, then the graph reflects and changes direction. Number 4. An outside change shifts the graph up or down. If you add an outside, it shifts up, and you subtract from the outside, it shifts down. Graphing quadratic transformations. In a parent function, you square each x value and graph it, which is shown in the graph with the squares of each x value. Example 3. G of x, negative parentheses x plus 3 to the power of 2 minus 4. Steps on solving. Shift to the left 3 times on the x-axis. Shift down 4 times on the y-axis. Reflect, and then graph the squares of each x value. Example 4. G of x, x plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 2. Steps on solving. Shift to the left 5 times on the x-axis. Shift up twice on the y-axis, and then graph the squares of each x value. Thanks for watching, and remember to do your problems at home and ask any questions on Monday. Thank you. Bye.